Hello guys and welcome back to Math Tech channel. Today we are going to be learning how to change username on Facebook. Changing your username on Facebook is a straightforward process. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First of all, open the Facebook app. If you are not already logged in, enter your login credentials to access your account and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. Select Setting. In Setting and Privacy, tap on Account Center. In Account Center, tap on Profiles and choose your Facebook account. In Facebook account, you can see here username, tap on it. Enter your new username. Changing your username will also change the URL of your Facebook profile. After that, tap on Done. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.